Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Wednesday, February 6th, and right now Levi and I are on our way to Starbucks. I have some errands I need to run, some groceries and things I need to get, but first stop is Starbucks. Alright guys, I posted on Instagram and said, what should I get from Starbucks? An iced green tea latte or a cinnamon almond milk macchiato, and right now this is the votes. And I am slightly upset because I really wanted the iced green tea latte to win, because I was feeling that over the coffee, because it's not like super cold out, so I'm like, a cold iced drink sounds good. But I don't know. I don't frickin' know. Coffee, iced green tea latte. I'm so indecisive. I thought it would be fun. When I posted that, I was like, maybe I'll do the Instagram controls my day, or whatever the heck the video, the trend is, where I post things and say this or that. Should I buy this? Should I buy that? Or should I do this or that? And whatever the vote is what I do. I don't know. I think that would be kind of fun, but at the same time, like, if something wins or gets voted for more than the other thing and I wanted that to win, I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to do what everybody else chooses. I don't know. I feel like that'd be really hard. Like, if you really wanted this to win and then that one, it would be upsetting because you have to do what the vote is. I don't know. God, I have to decide right now.
Hi.
Hi.
What you getting?
Can I please have a venti iced green tea latte with almond milk?
Sure thing, an iced venti green tea latte with almond milk. Anything else?
Can I have light ice in that?
You got it.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, thanks.
We'll see you up here. Thank you.
It was like the most decisive I've ever been. I can't believe that I was able to decide that fast. Good for me. Got Levi back here. Uh-oh. Hi, baby. Why are you lopsided like that? Aw, sorry for talking to you. I stressed him out. Alright guys, literally it's pouring down rain and my wipers just stopped working out of nowhere. This is literally the things that I deal with. So, super freaking cool. Literally they just stopped working. Awesome. Well, you saw it. My freaking windshield wipers stopped working. This is not the first time this has happened. I'm so sick of this car. I just want to sell it just because I dislike it so much, and it keeps giving me so many issues. I get so many people messaging me randomly and saying things that they think is wrong with my car because it's so loud and this and that, and I know there are things wrong with my car. It sucks, and it's like, it sucks, and it's giving me a lot of trouble. So I'm not gonna do all of the running around that I wanted to do because I don't like driving in the rain to begin with, and not having wipers, like, I can barely see. So I'm just gonna go to Giant Eagle. It's close to where I live, so I'm gonna hopefully get most of the things that I need in here, and then we will see what happens. Hopefully it just stops raining by the time I get out, but very unlikely.
Say bye to your great gamma. Nope. Mickey. Mickey Mouse. Where's Levi? Where's Levi? Peekaboo. Rum, 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 rum.
Mama.
Oh, you want me to open it?
Huh?
Yeah? Okay. I'm literally out of breath carrying that baby, this baby boy Levi. Probably doesn't look like a lot, but all 4 of these bags are full as heck, and my book bag, and my green tea latte, and all the way from the parking lot into the apartment, up the stairs, and into the apartment, into my apartment. I wasn't able to bring in the case of water and the jug of water, but when I lay Levi down for a nap here in a few minutes, definitely gonna go out there and get those 2 things. My arm is like jello from carrying those bags and Levi. I feel like a tough mama. Huh? You can't have that. It's got a lot of caffeine in it. You wanna taste a tiny sip? Tiny. No, you better not like it. You can't have it. That's mama's. All right, I need to put my groceries away and lay Levi down for a nap. Maybe if he's ready for a nap, and then cook some lunch. Alright guys, so whenever I go grocery shopping, when I get back, I clean out my fridge before I put anything in there. I throw out things that are old, things that I'm never going to eat, things that just need to be thrown away, and I do this every time I go grocery shopping. So I just threw away all the things that need to be thrown away and put all my new groceries in there and organize them, and thought it would be fun to do a little fridge tour. I don't know, but I'm gonna call it the healthy fridge tour. So let's go take a tour of my healthy fridge that I just cleaned and organized. All right, so first we will start with the door. And in the door right now, I've got vanilla oat milk and light vanilla almond milk. And behind them, I have maple syrup and chocolate syrup for the rare times that I'm craving chocolate milk. What, baby? I can't say that my doors are extremely healthy. I probably should go through the doors, but I haven't done that in a while. It's basically just a bunch of condiments and salad dressings, so I'm going to say forget those. But up top, I like to keep a couple Heinekens for every now and then when I just want to have a few beers at night. Right here, Levi has a water, and he's got an almond milk, some almond milk in there, and I keep a cold water bottle in the fridge to mix in with his juice. I prefer room temperature water. And then behind the water, this is peach nectar, which I usually get pear, but I mix this with some water as a juice for Levi. And behind there is some organic apple juice, obviously for Levi. And then on this top shelf right here, I've got some immunity boost shots and some wellness rescue shots. Up here, I have 2 different flavored cashew spreads and some cottage cheese. Right here, I've got a creamy peanut butter, which I didn't even know I had in there because I just bought this organic creamy peanut butter. And then I have some almond butter. I like to keep them in the fridge because I usually use them for smoothies, so everybody likes a cold smoothie, not a warm smoothie. Hi! In this drawer, it is honestly just a bunch of cheeses. I've got vegan cheese and normal cheese and mozzarella and some more vegan cheese. I'm not vegan, but I tried to be and it didn't work. So on this shelf, it's a lot of jarred things. This is like the spicy lime, banana peppers, jalapenos, and bold and spicy pickles. This is things that Robbie enjoys. This is homemade salsa. This is also homemade salsa, and that is just a corn and black bean salsa from the store. And then these are both spaghetti sauces. And then this is a line of sauerkraut. I just bought this one today from Giant Eagle. Never tried it, but I'm kind of excited to try it. This is just a German style sauerkraut, and this is homemade sauerkraut. Probably seems like I love sauerkraut, which I don't, but I'm like craving it a lot lately for some reason. So yeah, this is artichoke hearts. These are homemade canned green tomatoes. And this is homemade and canned pickles. And then down here, I've got sandwich spread, which I've never even used, mayonnaise and Miracle Whip. I like mayonnaise, Robbie likes Miracle Whip. Excuse you, what do you think you're doing? Then right here, I have applesauce and some more pickles.
This is a container of Brussels sprouts that I cooked last night. I'm probably about to eat them here in a minute. Excuse you.
No.
Yeah, no. Thank you for putting it back, baby. Get down, please. Get down, please. Come on. So, also down here, I have this big box of organic spinach and a blend of baby spring mix and spinach. Just some for salads, and I like to cook with it and put it on my sandwiches and everything. So, and then I just got this today. This is just spinach and arugula. I keep those on the bottom all the way back to keep them as cold as possible. And then underneath of that, I just have some organic flour tortillas. I was thinking about making some bean enchiladas with those. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And then this is the fruit drawer and the vegetables drawer. So, no. So in the vegetable drawer, I have asparagus, mushrooms, broccoli, veggie sausage, tofu, more broccoli, more veggie sausage, more veggie sausage, and more mushrooms. And I also have a bell pepper in the veggie drawer. In the fruit drawer, I've got some blueberry applesauce, strawberry applesauce, normal applesauce, a can or a jar of peaches, some strawberries, and this puree that Levi really enjoys, so I continue to buy it. It's just mango, sweet potato, apple, and millet. That's strawberry applesauce. Do you want some? So that is a nice and little tour of my fridge. I definitely need to go through the condiments or the dressings, whatever you want to call them, and throw them out. You want that open? You are so silly. Here, baby, I opened it for you. He always wants it open and then he never wants it. That's what life is like with a toddler. Here, baby. Can you shut the door? Can you shut the door for mommy? Oh, such a good boy. Thank you so much. Get a drink. You like it? So I'm cooking lunch. Got some broccoli and mushrooms in here right now with some salt, garlic, and onion. And then once those mushrooms get soft, I'm gonna add some chopped up veggie sausage and some of the spinach. And I just received a package from Gymshark. It is some clothes for the gym. So I'm about to open it and try them on. I'm literally so excited. This little boy just woke up from his nappy. He's having some peach juice and some strawberries as his little waking up snack. Wow, good job. Levi, is it so good? I am about to take my wellness rescue and immunity boost shot, clean up the kitchen, do all these dishes that I'm completely dreading doing. And then after that, I am hopefully going to the gym. I'm about to text my brother and see if he will come watch Levi for a little bit. I'm not sure what he's doing right now, but I'm gonna send him a text and see. And if that's the case, then I will be going to the gym. So I'm going to end today's vlog. Me and Levi here. Levi and I are gonna say bye to everybody.
Mama?
Yes, baby? Are you giving one to Mama? Thank you, Pumpkin. He's so sweet. You're so sweet sometimes. Say bye, everybody. Say bye. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you guys so much for watching. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. There you go.